Welcome back to the Crypto Market Updates channel. In today's video, this is going to be for all the Canadian Binance users who are out there. If you are a Binance user and a Canadian citizen, this message is for you. If you're not aware of the fact that Binance is moving out of Canada and all Canadian citizens need to cease and desist their participation in Binance, then this video is urgent. Make sure that you do watch it till the very end. Smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, of course, and stick around till the very end. So if you are hiding under the rock somewhere, and then you may have missed the email. Binance sent out an email just recently announcing the fact that they're moving out of Canada, and basically I'm going to show you how to avoid that. This is for Canadian citizens who have another residency. If you are a Canadian citizen but are not residing in Canada, then this video is for you. This is how you can change your Binance residency very easily and keep your Binance account without having to go through the hassle of creating a new one or moving your funds or whatever. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so Binance let us all know a little while ago that they're shutting down school, and basically they're closing down everything. They're closing down trades, general Binance futures, everything starting September 25th. Binance options are disappearing. Binance margin will not be available to us. Binance leverage tokens will also not be able to make new trades on those. Binance Earn, all existing flexible Binance Earn subscriptions, including Simple, Earn BNB, and so forth, will be redeemed progressively starting September 25th. So if you haven't closed down your Earn account by then Binance would slowly begin to close everything down for you. ETH staking, please redeem ETH staking subscription before 25th. No ETH staking rewards will accrue thereafter. After any remaining BETH in your account will be wrapped to WB ETH, progressively applying the WBETH real-time wrap ratio starting September 27th. Deposits starting 25th. Fiat cryptocurrencies will be unavailable. Withdrawals will be unavailable. Binance loans will be unavailable. So everything will be unavailable basically. And staking NFTs will also disappear. Might actually lose them. So this email is directed to Canadian-based customers. Please let us know immediately if you're not currently a Canadian resident. This is very important. If you're not a Canadian resident, then you have nothing to fear, provided that you have a residency within a nation that is supported by Binance's program, by Binance's features, by Binance. Luckily, there is a solution. It's a very easy solution. It's I changed it yesterday, changed my residency because I'm a resident of South Korea. I have not lived in Canada for the past 15 years, and so it's just a formality, despite the fact that it does look a little bit ominous. So the way you can change your residency is simply by going to Binance. If you log in and you go to this little support chat here, click support and then type in change residency, and you will get obviously a bot spitting out a link to a page that will look something like this. Above this, I cut it off. This is a screenshot, but above this there would be a little window. Let's see if I can mark it up. There would be a no, what color is it? White, please. Okay, let's see. No, I can't answer. Okay. Above that there would be a little window here, and you would be able to make a choice of what you want to do. So the declaration here, it says if yours is not in the list, I think this refers to, like, if your option is not in the list, then it could be non-compliance or high-risk behavior. So please notice that certification resetting itself as particular high-risk operation. User need to bear the relevant risks, including but not limited to account loss, asset loss, and a reversible change of account status. From resetting to new documents being verified, your account will be disabled for most of the common functions, including but not limited to any form of deposit and trading. And we cannot guarantee the certification period, so we will recommend you to empty account asset to avoid loss of unexpected situation. Especially if there is NFT asset in your account, please withdraw NFT first before withdrawing crypto asset. Non-KYC user is not allowed to withdraw NFT. Click here to wallet verification. Resetting will act on each item of certification. You will need to complete re-provide all materials for new certification to please confirm the necessity to reset. And there is a confirmation button. So this looks very scary. I was reading over it thinking to myself, my goodness, what if I proceed and I lose all my assets? But none of that happens. If you're unsure, just go to support and just type in I want to speak with an agent, or I want to speak to a person. A person will pop up and the person will guide you through what to do. It's just a matter of going, and your KYC is reset in the sense that you can go and change your residency from Canada, change it to your residential address. So you can enter, for example, for myself, I'm a resident of South Korea. Just change, your citizenship to South Korean. It's fine. They're not asking for an ID. There are 4 documents that Binance is asking for. One is a passport, an ID verification, a driver's license, and something else there. So if you have a, like if you're not a Korean citizen, but you have a driver's license and a registration card and ID, those are enough. Choose one, and then there is a facial recognition procedure that you go through, and this was verified for me within probably 10 minutes. It doesn't even take a day. It's a very minor formality that takes less than 10 minutes, and so there's nothing to worry about. So I hope this was helpful. If you are a person, a Canadian citizen who is not residing inside of Canada and are on Binance presently, then this is the way to fix the problem of Binance leaving Canada. I hope this was helpful. Make sure to smash up the like, subscribe, and come back for another video. Bye-bye.